Hello everyone! If you're in need of professional grade medical equipment, whether for a clinic, hospital, or even home use, MFI Medical is a trusted supplier. In this video, I'll guide you through their website and show you how to get a discount on MFI medical equipment by using our referral link. MFI Medical offers a comprehensive range of products including patient monitors, diagnostic equipment, and EKG machines, medical furniture like exam tables, stools and carts, surgical instruments and autoclaves, home care devices such as blood pressure monitors and nebulizer. They carry top brands like Well Allen, Midmark, GE Healthcare, and more. Their website allows you to browse by specialty, whether it's cardiology, dermatology, or emergency services, making it easy to find exactly what you need. They often run bundle deals for startup clinics and provide refurbished equipment options at discounted rates. Now, to save on your MFI medical purchase, make sure to use the referral link in your description as I mentioned at the beginning. This will unlock exclusive pricing plus special offers on bulk orders on first purchase and equip your practice with the best medical tools and ensure you're getting the best deal by shopping through our link.